Hi there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofi. On today's episode of Did You Know, we'll be talking about weight loss. Did you know weight loss goes beyond just hardened exercises? Sit tight, relax, as I take you through my best 5 and scientifically proven approaches to losing weight this year. Let's get this video started. You're welcome back. One may ask, is it necessary I lose weight at all? People often try to lose weight because it can have effects on their health. Carrying body weight is associated with higher risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, and musculoskeletal disorders. Losing weight can help improve how our body processes energy, how sensitive we are to insulin, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. The goal of weight loss is to minimize these health consequences and enhance our overall well-being. Now, let's look at the professional insights and the best points to consider to losing weight fast. Losing weight means getting to a point where you burn more calories than you consume, either by increasing physical activity or reducing calorie intake, or by a combination of both strategies. To achieve this, it's important to make changes to diet and exercise routine. How can you make these changes effectively? Here are some of the suggestions from experts to help you. The first of my best 5 strategies is strength training. Weightlifting is beneficial for both weight loss and weight maintenance. To start, you can begin with body weight exercises. Gradually progress to using dumbbells or barbells as you become stronger. By engaging in weightlifting, you can increase your muscle mass, which burns calories even when you are at rest, compared to fat tissue. Moreover, the actual act of weightlifting itself contributes to increased energy expenditure, helping you reach your weight loss goals. What's interesting is that if long distance running doesn't appeal to you, strength training might be an attractive option. It requires less time commitment, and studies show that it's just as effective as aerobic activities when it comes to managing weight. Additionally, it has the potential to lower the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. The best part is that substantial progress can be achieved with 2 to 4 weekly workout sections. My second best strategy is limit alcohol intake. Efforts to manage weight go beyond watching what we eat and how much we exercise. It turns out that the amount of alcohol we consume also plays a role in weight loss success or even weight gain acceleration. Alcoholic beverages often pack a punch when it comes to sugar and calories. They don't offer much in terms of nutrition. We can counteract the benefit of working out. New evidence is showing a connection between excessive alcohol consumption and a higher risk of obesity and related health issues. So if you are serious about losing weight, it's advisable to keep an eye on your alcohol intake. Many government agencies suggest that women should have no more than 1 unit of alcohol per day, while men should stick to no more than 2 units per day. Now to the point 3. Eat whole foods. Including a variety of whole foods in your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources, nuts, seeds, and legumes, is crucial to providing your body with all the essential nutrients it needs. It's equally important to be mindful of processed and sugary foods. Homemade and nutritious meals over prepackaged or fast food options is key. Planning and preparing your meals strategically can greatly support this effort. For instance, dedicating a couple of hours on Sundays to prepare homemade meals can have a significant impact on avoiding impulsive choices. This habit ensures that you always have access to nourishing meals and snacks that align with your weight loss goals. Point 4. Consume enough protein and fiber diet. If you are looking to lose weight without exercising, a good strategy to manage hunger is to include foods that's rich in protein and fiber in your diet. Scientific research shows that protein can help increase the feeling of fullness. It's also been found that when combined with resistance training, protein intake can promote the development of muscle mass, which can boost your metabolic rate. Some examples of protein sources are poultry, fatty fish, eggs, beef, legumes, and Greek yogurt. Likewise, dietary fiber has effects by contributing to prolonged satiety after eating. This means you feel fuller for periods of time and reduce the tendency to overeat. Foods like avocados, berries, whole grains, and potatoes are sources of fiber. By incorporating these types of food into your diet plan, you'll be less susceptible to temptation. Find it easier to manage your weight effectively. Now to my last point, point 5. Embrace the practice of mindful eating. At times, people tend to eat while being absorbed in their computer or TV screens, which takes away their focus from the actual act of eating and the signal that indicates fullness. A helpful approach is to develop the habit of eating. This means engaging in meals at a proper dining table without any distractions, fully immersing yourself in the process of eating. By adopting this practice, you can avoid overindulging. Find more satisfaction in your meals, leading to a faster sense of fulfillment. Ultimately, this can contribute to achieving your weight loss goals. Mindful eating also involves chewing each bite. Research supports the effectiveness of the technique as it helps regulate appetite and reduce the risk of obesity or becoming overweight. Please take note, before embarking on any diet or exercise plan, it is important to have a thorough conversation with a healthcare professional. They possess knowledge about your individual health profile and can provide personalized advice and recommendations for your weight loss goals. It is especially crucial to seek guidance if you have a pre-existing health conditions like cardiovascular disease or diabetes. In cases, your doctor may suggest working with a certified dietitian, nutrition specialist, or certified personal trainer to ensure that your dietary and exercise choices align with your specific health needs. Taking this approach will increase the likelihood of a safe and suitable weight loss journey, considering your unique health circumstances. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this presentation. Like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please recommend this video and the other videos I have on the channel to your family and friends if you find my content informative. Thank you for all the things you've done for me, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if this is your first time watching my video, you are welcome. Akwaba. Till we meet again, take a very good care of yourself. Remember, you can also make a difference. And don't forget, Kofi loves you. Peace out.